So this one starts off with some fractions, and I know how much you all love fractions. So let's really just kind of maybe start from the middle of the sequence and see if we can figure something out. Okay, so instead of starting with that first term and trying to figure out what we're adding, maybe I start or adding or multiplying here and I look at it. So if I'm saying I'm adding 5, because I always start by checking addition, then that would mean that I'd have to be adding 5 to get from 5 halves to 5. And I hope you can see that's clearly not going to work. So then I look into my multiplication and division, and I ask myself, you know, what would I multiply or divide by from 5 to get 10? In that case, I would multiply by 2. So let's check and see if that works. If I multiply 5 halves by 2, I'm going to get 5, so that works. If I multiply 5 fourths by 2, I'm also going to get 5 halves. So it's a working theory. So let's keep extending that. So multiply by 2, multiply 10 by 2, we get 20. Multiply 20 by 2, we get 40. And multiply 40 by 2, we get 80. So our pattern, our generator is multiply by 2. Next 3 terms, 20, 40, and 80. And again, I'll write those in my table just so we can see what the points are going to be. So I have the point 520, 640, and 780. And once again, definitely not linear. Not so sure if it's quadratic, but we can for sure tell that it's not linear.